Today, I'm going to show you 5 hidden Samsung features most people never use, but honestly, you really should. These are powerful tools built right into your phone that can boost your productivity, save time, and make your Samsung feel way smarter than before. From secret navigation shortcuts to AI search tricks and even custom call screens, this is next level stuff you probably didn't know existed. Features 1. Edge panels. The quick side menu. Edge panels give you fast access to apps, tools, and shortcuts without going to the home screen. How to enable and use. Open settings, tap display, select edge panels, turn it on. Tap panels to choose what you want, apps, tools, clipboard, contacts, etc. How it works. Swipe from the small edge handle on the side of your screen. A hidden panel slides out where you can instantly open apps, copy text, or even use smart tools like calculator or weather. You can also resize or reposition the handle for easier access. Features 2. Dual Messenger. Dual Messenger lets you run 2 separate accounts of the same app. Go to Settings, tap Advanced Features, select Dual Messenger. Turn on apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger. Confirm installation of the second app. You will see a second icon of the same app on your home screen. This is perfect for separating work and personal accounts on one device. Features 3. Check notification history. This feature lets you view notifications you accidentally cleared. Open settings, tap notifications, select advanced settings, tap notification history, turn it on. How it works. Once enabled, your phone records all notifications for 24 hours. You can revisit missed messages, app alerts, and reminders anytime. Features 4. Circle to search. A powerful AI search tool built into newer Samsung phones. Make sure to enable it. Open any screen, Instagram, browser, etc. Long press the home button or navigation bar. The screen will blur slightly with a Google overlay. Circle, highlight, or tap anything on the screen. Google instantly searches it. This is great for identifying objects, clothes, places, or text in seconds. Features 5. Call background customization. Open the phone app. Tap Settings, select Call Background. Choose background style, pick image or video and save. When someone calls you instead of a plain screen, you see your selected visual background, making calls more personal and stylish. These Samsung features significantly improve productivity, multitasking, and personalization, giving your phone a smarter and more premium experience. Also, comment below which feature was your favorite, or if you want, I can show you even more secret Samsung settings in the next video.